getting a really bad flow. So normally, ooh, not good. Looky, looky, those are galvanized nipples. I was about to say half of this, this is an 8-unit building. And half of this building is copper, but these back 2 units, or I should say the majority is copper of this building. But these back 2 units are galvy. But these are all copper right here. So I had a feeling when the guy told me about this that the poor flow might be from the galvanized water lines, because normally it's in this, or it's in the hoses that connect to this. So let's what we'll do, the way you test this is we need to get an supply hose, 1/2 inch, and then shoot the water into a bucket and see what kind of flow we get out of it. And if it's flowing good into the bucket, then we know that it's just in the supply hoses or somewhere in the faucet. So yeah, let's do that real quick. Did you do that? Who did that? Who did that, huh? Someone better fess up. Okay, so this is 3/8 right here. This is a 1/2 inch 3/8 adapter. Let's just take that off. Okay, got the new angle supply hose on the thing here. We just, it's getting good flow. That's halfway on. That's really good flow. That's only halfway. Okay, now it's on the hot. Yeah, this is getting really good flow. Okay, good. These are easy to get off. These are really easy to get off, so let's do it. There we go. Need to reinstall these because the hoses are 3/8. This is 1/2 inch by 3/8. Snug those up with the channies. That's how you attach it. Goes through here. Put them through there. And then it just threads on. It gets a real good grip on it. It's clear silicone. That'll dry clear. Getting good flow now.